What's going on, family? Welcome to another edition of the Grilling Oasis. Today we're going to do some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So you see we got our charcoal going right now. We're gonna stick some wood on there. We're gonna stick some hickory. Chips, some apple chips, and some mesquite. We'll stick it all in the wood. Let all them flavors go up in the chicken. It's gonna taste real good. So we're gonna put some wood in there right now. So we got all three woods in there. You see it catching fire pretty good. Mesquite, oak, and hickory. Now we're gonna put the grate on, then stick the chicken on top. So we got our marinated chicken thighs right here, family. So we're gonna stick them around the grill, not on the fire. I'll just stick them around that fire, make them taste real good without burning them. So we got the chicken on there now. Nice marinade on there. If you want to know about the marinade, y'all shoot me a message and let me know. I get the ingredients to that marinade. Real nice flavor. So we're gonna close it up. We're gonna let it cook. All right, fam, we out here checking on the meat. As you can see, nice color on the meat. I'll flip it over. See that? Real nice. Just let it cook real slow. I heard nothing. Pull it back towards some of that heat there. But they all cook nice and even. We don't want it to burn. We do want it to cook nice and even. Get it off above that fire there. Put you right there. All right. See those grill marks? Meat look real good. So we're gonna close up, let it finish cooking. Flip this one back here. We wanted to get to an internal temp about 165, and then it'll be done. All right, see you in a few. What's up, fam? We got the chicken, it's all done. You see the nice grill marks right there. Very nice. So we're gonna get it and set it down in our thing. We measured the temperature. We wanted it to be about 165. And it was that or above. So we're gonna get it on all so that our meat to be nice and tender. So the only one that didn't measure 165 and above is the one we're leaving on there. So we're gonna let that one cook a little bit longer and reach that good internal temp. And there we go. All right, fam. I hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna put it with some corn casserole that we made. We'll put a picture on there so you can see what the end result look like. All right, fam. See you next time.